Start off by applying a base coat to all of your nails. This is very important, especially if you're using acrylic paint for the design. For the middle and ring finger, we're going to start by outlining the entire nail. If you happen to make the line too thick like I've done here, you can easily fix it by scraping off any unwanted paint with a toothpick. Please note that this will only work if your base coat is completely dry. When you're done outlining the nail, start making random lines dividing the nail into smaller parts. The design looks best if you make different kinds of triangular shapes. Also try to make them different sizes so they don't end up all the same. Now fill in some of the parts with a light blue polish. You can do this with either a toothpick or a brush. If you're using a toothpick, use a stippling motion for best results. Allow the polish to dry for a couple of minutes and then go back and fix the lines to make them nice and even. Let everything dry for a couple of minutes and then apply a fast drying top coat. For the pinky and index finger, take a piece of regular tape and stick it to the back of your hand and peel it off. This will remove some of the tackiness and prevent the tape from ripping off the polish when removing it. Now take the tape and place it on your nail. Then, using the same polish as before, apply it to the uncovered part of your nail. Remove the tape immediately while the polish is still wet. If your polish isn't completely opaque, go back and apply a second coat. Let the polish dry and then repeat the same steps as before. Start by outlining the nail, then divide it into smaller sections, fill in some of them with blue, and then go back with black paint and fix the lines. Let everything dry for a couple of minutes and then apply a fast drying top coat. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.
So, yeah, okay, bye!